Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2476th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Please remember before we get started the risks involved in this game. Very risky game. The volatility is extreme lately in U.S. indices and all indices, to be honest. And if you do not place your stops and place them first, you can have your account wiped out. At the same time, sometimes placing a stop in the wrong place can be detrimental, like what happened to us OMNIACs today. We came out, we got long S&P and NASDAQ. We put our stops in on Wednesday. The market opened up and did one of these to us. It opened, dropped, just enough to stop us out, and rallied up and made new highs. One of those days, kids. I'm sorry I put in a lousy stop. OMNIACs out there, please don't hate me. We won't get it wrong tonight, I promise. So, what I wanted to show you is this one chart and this one chart only. E-mini S&P weekly bar chart and the 200 bar moving average. So far, you have an absolute hold, and it's starting to put in a nice strong bar for the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is in, and that's what that bar looks like. Now, again, with this 200 bar moving average, when it gets broken, it's ugly. Hundreds and hundreds of points are seen, but when it holds, it starts a march. All right, well, for now, this week at least, it is holding. So yeah, it stopped us out this morning and then rallied. My bet on the stop, but the Omni stays green. The Omni wants us to stay with buying the dips on Thursday, and that is what we will do. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to these videos, subscribe to my channel, and then come join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. And then remember to keep your emotions out of this game. Do not make emotional decisions. Do not flip stops around. Do not cancel stops. Make sure you stick to your trading plan, and then say this to yourselves over and over again. And by now, you must know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thanks for tuning in. Remember, Omni wants us to continue to buy the dips in E-mini S&P NASDAQ Russell, and I will see you all at my live website, livewithoscar.com.